There were no iPhones in the first century. This isn't exactly the place to discuss historical accuracy.
One of the most fascinating aspects when studying the historical Jesus is the remarkable absence of any definitive physical description of him in the earliest texts. This artistic tradition often drew from existing cultural archetypes of revered figures and deities. The iconic image that many in the Western world recognize, except the long hair, beard, and fair complexions,
Was largely solidified during the Byzantine era and the Middle Ages. But this wasn't necessarily based on historical reality. Conversely, historically, a Jewish man from Galilee in the first century would have likely had a very different appearance: shorter hair, a trimmed
beard, and a complexion suited to the Middle Eastern climate.
So the image we often hold in our minds is a product of historical and artistic evolution, not necessarily a photographic representation of the man himself. The impact of these Bible stories lies in the message, not in a portrait we can definitively verify.
Ultimately, the enduring power of Jesus' story transcends any single physical depiction.